Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Marky got it all. And today we got some more chilling rain. Got this chilling rain EBT. Gonna crack that. Hopefully you can find the hot box. The hot EBT. Then I got this single booster. Crack this. See if I can get any luck with this Articuno. So yeah, man. Like and subscribe. Marky got it all. Let's get into it, man. Let's see if we can get a hot box, man. Well, let's see if we can get a hot booster. Nice bird. Okay. Let's get it. Shadow Rider. Let's get it, guys. Woo! Well, chilling rain is tough. I almost never can get a cold card that mean go. I almost never can get one. But when you do get some type of hits. So I can't say that, but yeah, chilling rain, they tough. I don't know if they not putting the cards out or something going on. So you see we ain't getting nothing right there. So let's get into this hot box. Chilling hot. So yeah, man, let's get into it, man. Let's see if we can get some good hits up out of here. Hopefully. So you can pretty much find them anywhere, pretty much anywhere. And what I've been seeing is that I don't know if it's a lot of little kids or something, but little kids, man, y'all they opening up a lot of the packs in the store, and you'll go in there, man, you'll see a whole EBT open. And I'll be like, man, what's going on? So chilling rain has to be hot, has to be hot. So everybody pretty much liking chilling rain. But I'm tired of the packs getting opening up though. Can't never get some of the stuff I want. But sorry though, found something. So yeah, man, let's get it. Articuno on the artwork. First pack. See if we can get some first pack magic. Nope. Green code card that don't mean go. Let's get it. See if we can get a good reverse hollow. Come on, camera. Weedle, cast form, quillfish, rallets, cast form, snowy form, reverse, and the air guard grind. Next pack, icy, heat up. See if we can heat up. Ah, man. It's all right. See if we can. Whoa, you see that card right there? Do y'all see that? Man, they torched that card, man. Come on, chilling rain. Pokemon Center. He ain't killing us. Weedle, Galarian, Farfetch, Cast Form, Larvesta, Sobble, Special Energy. And the same card, Aragon. Once again, like, that got to be some ish. And he all beat up. But it's all good. Money gonna get well spent one day. Gonna pull something good. Yeah, next pack. Next pack magic. Man, do you see that? Three code cards in a row that don't mean go? Whew. Come on now, chilling rain. See if we can get that heat. Steamy. Gloves. Venipede. Snover. Galarian. Crablet. Okay. Gardevoir. Reverse. Pulled that a lot. And a Spiver. Non-hollow. Okay. Next pack magic. Let me get some next pack magic. Or they just gonna do it bad for the whole EBT. Oh man, 4 cold cards in a row. It don't mean go. Whew. EBTs are rough. EBTs are rough, man. Reboot. So my thing is what makes the EBT worth 40? Okay, Tauros reverse and the Galarian Starfish. So what makes the EBT worth 40? What, the artwork? You know, because like when you sit here and you don't get no pulls at all, it's just like, what makes the EBT worth $40? Like I said, I might as well just buy, what, how many blisters? 3 blisters? And get 9 packs, you know? And, man, do way better than an EBT. And get an extra pack and pay $4 less. So, you know, I don't know, man, about the EBTs. Okay, reverse, Kabufa, and we got a hit. Okay, Weavile. Okay, Rapid Strike, hollow. Decent. I'll take it. See if we can get the next pack's magic going. Got a green cold card to Mingo. Can all 4 of these be a go? Be a go? You know? Hopefully. Booster didn't treat us too well, but it's okay. It's okay. We're going to hit big. We're going to hit big. Let's go. Magic. Dialberg. Package delivery. Teasing us with the special delivery Charizard, too. Come on, some delivery. Larvesta. Reverse Sabo. Do we get a hit? We got a hit. We got a hit. Ah! Galarian Articuno. Let's go, baby. Woo, 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 woo. So I guess getting green cold cards ain't bad at all in the first packs. Hit something. As long as I hit something, that's all I don't worry about. I opened a EBT, didn't hit nothing. So it was a ghost. Had me ready to go back to the store. Take the EBT back. It's all right. So long as we hit that, we good. We ain't got to hit nothing else. See, then they start back up with the green code card that does not mean go. So, see if we can get a good reverse. Water Energy. Galarian Chest Plate. Caitlin. Kakuna. Larvesta. Sabo. Ladybug. Shovit. Crabler. Seal. Reverse. And a Shuppet. Non-hollow. Artwork in the back of that is pretty good. If it was a hollow. So, man, can we get the last pack magic, man? Can we get the last pack magic? Yeah. Come on now. Pikachu. Spark some in that pack. Let's go. Last pack magic. And yeah, Marky got it all. Like, subscribe. Be dropping some more videos on these EBTs. But yeah, man, these EBTs, they painful. Man, might as well buy, I guess, a booster, but hopefully it have something in it. If you don't have nothing in it, I definitely want to be getting it from the Pokemon Center so I can send it back or they can compensate me. But yeah, man, Avery, and ending it with Wheezing. So yeah, man, at least we got the Galarian Articuno. And centering a little off. But okay though. At least we got the Galarian Articuno though. And Weevil, God of War. But overall, great. Cool. But I don't know about advising these EBTs. They kind of, I don't know what to do with Chilling Rain. But yeah, man, like, subscribe. Marky got it all. And my box beat up. And I'm out, guys.